Welcome to my channel.
Ever seen a drone hide itself in plain sight? Let's check out the tech making that possible. Meet the next-gen quadcopter with a twist, literally. Its propellers are all out on the edges, making the drone compact and super stable. But here's the real magic. On its bottom, there's a cutting-edge poled display. What's so special about that? Well, this display is like a chameleon. When the drone is in the air, the poled screen adapts in real time to match the sky above it. Blue, cloudy, even sunset colors. So if you're looking up from the ground, the drone almost vanishes, blending right in. This isn't just a cool party trick. It means quieter skies, less distraction, science meets stealth, right above your head. The future of drones? It's looking sky high and almost invisible.